If you have Oppo A5x 5G smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock in this smartphone, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, select security and privacy, and then select device unlock. Select fingerprint and face unlock, and then select fingerprint. Click on agree. Now firstly you have to set a screen lock, but if you have already done this, then you can skip this part, otherwise select next. You can select numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. Here I'm selecting pattern. Wait for 5 seconds. After this, click on continue. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Now place your finger or thumb, whatever you want to add on the sensor, and then keep on tapping so that it can completely capture your fingerprint. After this, click on done. You can also add your face lock, otherwise click on cancel. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint in Oppo A5x 5G smartphone.